everyone, welcome back to the Happily Exhausted Mama. Sorry I've been gone for a while, work has been super crazy, but those of you who have stuck around and subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red button and make sure to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on products, on just raising a toddler, all of those things. My baby just turned 1 year old and I am so excited to be entering this part of the journey of motherhood with you, all of you. Now coming to today's video, it's going to be a product review again. It's a comparison between Lotus Bubbles, Little Bubbles body wash and shampoo, as well as the Johnson's top to toe bath. Now the Johnson's top to toe bath has been a very popular product for a very long time. I just started using it. As you can see, it's nearly over, and the Lotus one also I've been using for a while, and I thought let's do a comparison of these two products because they claim to do more or less the same thing. They are both like a complete body wash, so you can use it as a shampoo as well as for the body. Now coming to the price of these two products, the Johnson's baby top to toe, this retails at 80 rupees for 100 ml, and this is a bigger bottle, so this is 240 rupees for 200 ml. So by the calculations, Lotus is the more expensive brand. Lotus is also a newer brand. Johnson's has been around obviously for a longer time. Now just coming to both the consistencies, very similar. The Johnson's one has a light like yellow shade to it. The Lotus one is absolutely clear. It's in this bottle so you can't see it, and that is one of the things I like about the Johnson's one, is that it is in a clear bottle, so you can see, you know, how much of the product you have used. And this is also similar pattern here as well, but this one, you know, I just can see from the weight like it's more than half over. The Lotus baby one has a very strong fragrance, so I don't think I will be repurchasing the Lotus baby one. If you haven't used it, I should warn you, it's got a very strong fragrance, so much so that I had to just keep this thing open and I kept it like this for the fragrance to escape, so that it becomes more tolerable. For me it was really strong. Not everyone in my family felt that way, but I just thought it's a very strong fragrance. However, it does wash off, so once your baby is taken a bath, after that you won't be able to smell it on his hair or on his body or whatever, but it is a very strong fragrance. The Johnson's one has a very mild, the usual Johnson's fragrance, but it's very mild. I wish it was fragrance free, but it isn't. Very mild fragrance. In terms of effectiveness, I think both do a similar sort of a job. Like they both clean the scalp well, they both clean the body well. I feel the Johnson's one makes the body a little bit more oily to touch, like when you are taking that bath, it's more slippery, so I think the moisture content of the Johnson's one is more, so it hydrates the skin more, whereas the Lotus one might feel a little more dry than the Johnson's one. Overall, I was satisfied with both the products, but as I said, because the fragrance, I am not going to be repurchasing the Lotus one again. The Johnson's one, I will definitely give it a try, and please in the comments below write down if there are any other body washes that you've used for your baby and which among them have you liked. I would love to try them out, and with that I will see you again soon. Bye.